In the last video we talked about adding in a slide, so I opened up here, I selected to add in a new scene and created a scene within the canvas, and as we can see here I don't have anything else other than this one object within the canvas, but there are some options here for what I can do with this particular object within the canvas. So I've got an option here where I can add an animation, and this is available for any object that you place within the canvas. So if you do select the add animation, it gives you several points. You can add a bunch of different points. Currently it's on 24 different frames and it's going to move it down. So we're just going to move this, animate it and move it down to there. Move it from the left, top left, down to the bottom right. And we're going to keep it at 24 frames. You do also have an option here to rotate it and to resize. So the rotation is simply done by clicking on it and the rotation option here, and you can rotate it around if need be. So actually I will just leave it a little bit rotated. So once you're ready with your particular animation, you can close Canvas, and from there you can start customizing what's going to be written within this slide. So you can see here that it is playing that animation, and right now we still haven't customized any of the text within that. Customize the text, we go over to slide, simply click customize this animation, and here we can see the wording that's being played in. So there's two text areas. There's our business presentation header. So I'm just going to change it to learn to create. And I'm going to call it professional videos. And so now when I do play my preview there, I can see that it has changed and that the animation does stay the same. So as before, there are some options for the fonts. You can change the different fonts. You can change the text size. You can change the alignment of the fonts to left or right. I'm just going to play that over again, and as you can see, as you're changing it here, it's going to change the also within the display there on the right hand side. So vertical align top, you can center, you can bottom it. So this is for text area 2, which is the lower text area. And you've got some FX here as well, so you can put strong shadow, and I'm just going to add the strong shadow there for the top one as well. And take another look there to see what's happening there on the right hand side. And then you have some options here for colors of font. You can also offset it. So if I wanted to offset this text, so offsetting is just moving it. So on the x-axis, moving it back and forth. I'm just going to bring it back to 0, and then there's the y-axis, so moving this particular text up and down on the y-axis. So those are the options that you do have for customizing the text on a slide, on a scene that you've placed within your video timeline.